Imagine a classroom setup wherein the professor discusses the topic without showing any presentation. He just or she just sits and stands there discussing the full topic. Um, would you easily comprehend what the topic is?
No.
Yes, no, no.
No.
Definitely not. Unless the professor shows you appropriate presentation. This kind of teaching will result to students sleeping or chatting with one another. They will not be interested anymore because it will just be like storytelling to kids. It will make you sleepy. Worst part, that there will be a little learning after all. Good morning, everyone. I am here to talk about the advantages of visual aid. Let's begin first by defining what visual aids really are. A visual aid is a learning tool that educators or presenters uses to convey this idea more effectively. It is important that visual aids are tailored for a particular audience depending on their needs. Next, let us not talk about the benefits of using visual aid. It strengthens the speaker's message by giving proper visuals or pictures of the topic being discussed. It also increases the interest of the speaker's information. The use of appropriate visual, it makes the message of the speaker easier for the listeners to understand. It enhances the speaker's credibility by showing proper or proof of what he is discussing. For example, if a speaker tells you that there is water in Mars or on Mars, would you easily believe?
No.
Definitely not.
Yes.
Unless he shows you pictures of water in Mars, then believe. Um, the persuasion of the speaker can also be improved by using visual, proper visual. Let me give you another example. If the speaker is selling you swimming key, would you easily buy if he just say that all of the customers who bought this product lost weight? Well, again, no. Unless he shows you a model of a model who uses the product and actually lost weight, then you will now get easily convinced by the speaker. Stage fright of some speakers can also be lessened by visual aids. You will no longer be afraid of forgetting words because there is a visual aid to guide him in his speech. Another benefits of visual aid is they enhance learning because interactive effect can be used to reinforce the material learned. There are several types of visual. Models, photograph, charts, graph, and the most effective visual use is the PowerPoint presentations. The easy and quick and most effective visual use. For what I have discussed, it only tells us that visual aid is a powerful and helpful tool. But visual aids are not just as easy as you think. There are such guidelines you must follow in order to have a good visual presentation. First, you must prepare in advance. Our generation nowadays are in this trend to the last minute work, and that kind of attitude is not applicable. Keep it simple. As they always say, simplicity is beauty. Do not make your presentation too colorful, for it may distract the audience eyes, nor make it too dull because it will be just a bore to the audience. Make it clear and straightforward. A worthy presentation is a taboo. Remember that visual aids should be simple but elegant. Visual aids are very helpful as long as you know how to do it and what to put in it. And that ends my talk.